everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Lyte audio glasses. First, to charge the glasses, hook up the connector cable to each arm like so. It doesn't matter which clip you connect to which arm. You'll see a red LED on each arm when the glasses are charging. This LED will go off when the glasses are done charging. When you disconnect the charger, the glasses will automatically power on and begin seeking a Bluetooth connection. Here we see Lyte and tap it in the Bluetooth menu. Once the glasses are connected, they'll automatically repair to this device in the future when turned on. If you haven't just disconnected your glasses from the charger, you power them on by holding both power buttons here for about 3 seconds. Once the glasses are connected, they'll start functioning like wireless headphones, and you can use them to listen to music, talk on the phone, or use Siri. Now we'll cover the other touch controls on the glasses. So like I said, you hold both buttons for about 3 seconds to turn them on. To turn off the glasses, you'll hold either button for about 7 seconds. You'll hear power off when the glasses are turned off. You can also turn off the glasses by disconnecting them from Bluetooth on your main device. They'll automatically turn off in about 3 minutes after no activity. Now let's turn the glasses back on by holding both power buttons. Now we'll see they'll automatically reconnect to the remembered device. Now if you're trying to connect to a new device, be sure to turn off Bluetooth on the old device to prevent the glasses from reconnecting to those. Alright, now to cover the other touch controls. You'll press the left button once to lower the volume 1 notch. Wait about 1 second between each push. You'll do the same on the right to raise the volume. Now double tap either button quickly to play or pause music. Triple tap either button to go back a track or to go forward a track. To use Siri or Google Voice, hold either button for 2 seconds. To answer a phone call, press either button. To decline a phone call, hold the button for 2 seconds. Once you're on a call, press the button again to hang up. That's it for the touch controls on Lyte. Now let's talk about adjusting the frame. So if the frame is a little too tight or too loose for you, you can actually bend the bridge here to adjust the fit of the glasses. Hold the glasses like so and bend outwards evenly to ensure that the glasses don't get crooked, and you can widen the fit of the glasses like so. To narrow the fit of the glasses or make them tighter, you'll hold them in a similar way and push inward at the bridge, bending the bridge inward, and thus tightening the fit of the glasses. Be sure to try them on throughout this process to get the fit as close as possible. Now I'm going to show you how to use the included case to store your Lyte. First, open the case like so, and then insert your glasses upside down with the lenses facing away from you. You might notice that one of the arms pokes out a little bit. That's fine, it's not going to stop the case from closing. Then just close it shut like that, and you have a nice solid case to store your glasses in. When you're not using the case, just fold it flat and stick it in your pocket. It's that easy. Now to change lenses on your Lyte glasses, you want to line up and make sure that you have the right lens for each side. You'll notice that it's a little easier on the Wayfarer style, but on the round style, you'll look for a curve that matches the inside of the glass like there. So look for a curve on the extra lenses. That means that it goes into the bridge, and that means that this is the right lens and that is the left lens. So make sure that you have those lined up correctly before you get started. Now to pop out the lenses, you'll just press your thumbs on the inside of the lower part of the lens and pop them out. Now to pop in the new lenses, you'll do it from the front. First, fit them into the top of the rim. Once you do so, pull out on the bottom of the rim and push in the lenses. It might take a little bit of force, that's normal. First fit them in the top, and then push them in from the bottom. There you go. And that's how you change the lenses on your Lucid Lyte glasses. Be sure to give them a wipe down with an alcohol wipe or glasses cleaning fluid to make them nice and clear after you do that. So that's it. That's how you use Lucid Lyte e-glasses. If you have any other questions, just give us an email at info@lucid.co and we'll answer you right away. Thanks so much, and we hope you enjoy your eyewear upgrade.